Hello traders, today I'm going to show you another good tool for you as day traders, and of course we can scalp off the levels, depends on the pool. It's very simple tool, it's called Fib Speed Resistance Fan. Anything starting with the name Fibonacci is usually good in trading, especially in crypto. So let's go for it. I will show you the settings. As with any other tool, you will be looking for significant lows and highs to pull it. Okay, so in this case this is the significant low, significant high. Oops. These are my settings. They are, I think, the basic ones. Sometimes you can replace 0.61 if it's lost with 0.66. Okay, so you see if you take out the first buyers and bounce from it, is often the case, and also 0.5 with 0.86. Okay, so those two I sometimes replace if they are lost. I just want to be sure they are truly the lost, and it's not, the move is not move like aim to take out your stop losses. That's what you will do. For now, this speed fan is looking okay, it's our current pull, but let's have a look on history, how it worked. Okay. So for example, here you had the high, you had the low, you will be pulling it. Let's go. Let's have a look. Sometimes when it's good pull, it's I like long-term pulls over here. One hour chart, okay. So from this moment we can trade it. 382, not much reaction. 0.5 was claimed. There was no reaction, but it was claimed as support. 0.61, not much reaction. And the finally 0.5 is stopping us and the move. Nice. And it became a bit of support over here, so not so precise. This is not so precise pull. I like to see much more precise pull, so we should be pulling from this high now. It also depends, yeah, you can, this is not good, you'll be pulling from to this high. Yep, this is very good high, this is very good low, both significant ones. So from this point you can start watching that. Let's have a look. It's good for day traders and scalpers both together. 0.25 giving you trade. It's looking small, but we can measure, you know, it's not so small. 2%. Okay, no precise reaction from 0.382, just a lot of chop around, but 0.5 giving you precise reaction. That's what I want to see. So I consider this pull much better than previous one. 0.5 again around the area, rejections, and here we had big jump through. We stopped at 0.5 for small scalp short, and now it's very close front run at support. Okay, so not much here. Now let's have a do even bigger pull from all-time high. Now it should be interesting because this one was good. I just love it on bigger time frames. I don't know, it's not so precise on small time frames, at least in my opinion. Now we will do different pull here. Okay, I need to aim a bit. Significant low over here. About here, it was claimed as support. Butler here, not exact, and golden zone was front run slightly. Possibly something strong was in front of it, but you can consider there was potential trade here as you are very close. And now 0.75 is now giving. We breached that. Now it's support. Okay, nice. So it's acting as support now, so you can use it that way as well. Support here, a lot of chop around, but still like support. Choppy, not exact there, not much. Nice. How about the COVID low? We know it's so important, so let's go make a big pool. It's a lot of with these speed fans, it's a lot of backtesting, and you need to really search for big pools and those which are like they are working well, so there is high chance they will work again. Okay, just want to make sure it's precise. So let's have a look here, because those differences matter a lot. Okay, now it's anchored. And top of the move, let's go. Must be precise as well. Cool, now it's ready. This is very regional pool, okay? So do not expect price to bounce on dollar, yeah? This is very regional. You just know when you are in the area you might look for, yeah, for the longs, for example, here. So 25, not respect exactly 382. I just like 0.5 and golden zone. Like golden zone is working on most of the tools. So look here at the golden zone. Even after big drop, we dropped exactly into the golden zone and bounced. So golden zone is the most important on most of the tools I will be showing you, okay? Another bounce from the golden zone. Now we know this is strong, yeah? And as I said, when you lose golden zone, days like you go over it, you must immediately switch to 0.66 to see if you find support. And look here, very close front run to the golden zone here. Very close front run and the bounce from the 0.66. So you already had 4 trades out of the golden zone. Golden zone is good. Midline, rejection, okay. I consider this pool very good pool. Okay, so look here. Golden zone holding us. Midline holding us once, 2 times, 3 times. Again, we didn't close under. Even now, the midline, the 0.5, it's not midline, 0.5 is holding us support. Very nice to see. Lot of. So it's yeah, sometimes it's very hard to trade it exactly. Golden zone gave pretty exact bounces. You just know we are in the area, and you will be looking for trade with other confluences. Amazing to see. Now we can see where is our resistance over here. So this big long-term pull, very good pull, very good pull. And now it's up to you. Now it's up to you what pulls you will be searching for. But always look for significant highs and lows. I will keep this one for sure on my chart. This is a strong one. So pretty short video for you. I hope everything's clear, and I wish you good trading and see you in the group. Bye bye.